I have included both 2018 and 2019 Plus version template. Font changing feature available in the 2019 Plus version template. Let me show you how to edit this template. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Import video clip or image. Place it on the timeline. I am scaling the image down. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import the template. Place template on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, you can edit the template. Change animation position here. Change channel name and font here. Here you can change the text position. Scale animation here. That's it. Thanks for watching.